Good afternoon, everyone. I hope you all are fine. Today is my 25th video, that is Silver Jubilee video, under the guidance of Mr. Rahul Bhatnagar. Thank you, sir, for motivating me. I am very happy today because from past 25 days, I continue posted my videos on FB, YouTube, Insta, and where not. I got few comments as well, good response as well. I crossed the barrier of comfort zone for me. I invest on myself. This communication mastery course put a huge impact on me, put a positive impact on me. That's what did this communication mastery with me. So many more videos will come to your ways. So coming back to the topic, so today's topic is think beyond targets. In Hindi we can say लक्ष्य के परे सोचें. What it's mean? Let's suppose you want to score 85% in 12th class board exam. But for that you need to think 90 to 95%. Then only you can take action according to that. You can prepare for 95%. And when you prepare for 95%, then only you can get near about 85 to 90%. That's where you are going to think beyond target, because when you think beyond target, your productivity increase, your efficiency increase. You can use your mind, your physical power according to that. Let's take another example. We all watch cricket. I love cricket, by the way. Let's suppose there is a match and the pitch is very flat and all the conditions are in favor of batsmen, and the team management knows that the opposition batsmen are all in good form, and in addition they also know that in evening there will be dew, and in addition as well the match is in Chinnaswamy, Chennai, where the par score will be 300 to 320 in between. So what will happen? The captain of the team asks his batsman to score beyond the par score, that is, let's suppose 350 to 360. Why is that? Because he want that cushion for their bowler, for his bowler. He want cushion for his bowler. He want comfort zone for his bowler, some extra run so that he can defend the target at the end. That time the captain asks his batsman to think beyond target. Scoring run beyond the par score, that is think beyond the target. That's the thing a batsman need to think, a captain need to think, that where the appropriate score will be, what is the appropriate score will be for defending. That's what think beyond target is all about. You always need to step one step ahead from the target that you set for yourself, because when you one step ahead from your target, then only you can achieve that what you set a target for yourself. You can apply action according to that. You can do things according to that. So if you want to be productive, if you want to be efficient, then you always need to think beyond target. Thank you.